In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. So say if you've got some crypto on Revolut, this video is just going to show you how you can send it to another wallet, and that includes if it's your own wallet or someone else's. So firstly, you'll want to open up the Revolut app to the home dashboard here, and then you'll just want to click on the crypto section at the bottom here. This should then open you up to your crypto portfolio, and to send crypto to another wallet, you'll just want to select the send option at the top here. This should then provide you the list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available on your wallet. So for the example of this video, you'll see that we have some Bitcoin, so we'll just go ahead and select on that. Then from there, you'll then be asked to provide the details of the wallet that you want to send the cryptocurrency to. So you'll firstly have the option of either sending it to your own wallet, in which case you'll say my wallet, or you can also send it to someone else's wallet, and you can select someone else here. But either way, you'll need to enter the wallet address, so you'll just want to copy that in once you've got it. Then next up, if your wallet is from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, you can go ahead and select that option here. And then once you've got the details of the wallet that you want to send money to, you can then go ahead and confirm. Then once you've done that, you should then see your new wallet saved in Revolut, ready to send cryptocurrency to. So if you're ready to send crypto to it, you can then go ahead and select it. And then from there, you'll just need to select how much crypto you want to send. So for this example, we'll be sending nearly £50 worth of Bitcoin. Then once you've done that, you'll then just be asked to confirm the transfer. So make sure you're happy with everything before pressing confirm. And then once you've done that, you should then receive confirmation of your transaction, and it should now be pending in your account. And then usually you might have to wait up to half an hour for it to be fully processed, depending on the exchange or the wallet that is going to. But after half an hour or so, you should get a notification from Revolut to confirm that your crypto was successfully sent. And then if you load it up, you should see a green notification here to confirm that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.